right click on your start menu here, and then the first option that you can choose is Device Manager. Click on that. Let's expand that. And here you will see the option for disk drives. Go ahead and expand that, and you can find the two different drives that are in your PC. I have two Samsung NVMe drives. One is 500 gigs and the other one is 2 terabytes. That is one way for you to check to see what drive is in your computer. The other way that you can do it, come back to the start menu, right click on that icon, and then let us select this second option here, disk management. Click on that. Let's go ahead and expand this as well. And you'll see here that you have two disks, disk 0, which is usually for your operating system, and your secondary disk. Let's first left click on this section here where it says disk 0, right click, and then click properties. And again, it will tell you what drive you have currently in your PC. Let's go ahead and repeat this process for the second disk, disk 1, right click on it, click properties, and there you see that this one is also the Samsung SSD drive. So that is how you can tell what drives are in your computer using two different methods.